Welcome to Abdali Grammar School YouTube channel. Our today's topic is conservation of Earth's resources. Land is of great importance for us. Land gives us food, workplace and shelter house. Forests are a gift of nature. Forests grow on land. Forests keep the air clean. They save the land from erosion. They make the climate healthy. Paper, rubber, spices, fruits, and medicines all come from forest. How people waste land. People are destroying land by deforestation. They cut trees for wood, farming, settlements, industries. Some people dump garbage and chemical into soil. This makes the land unfit for the plants to grow. How to save land? Plant more and more trees. Don't use disposable items. Use less paper. Recycle paper and cardboard. Thanks for joining us in this educational journey. We will see you in the next video.